Hi there, this is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Once again, I welcome you back to our channel. Your go-to YouTube channel for all your architectural and construction project management needs. Today, we bring to you the Shero 4-bedroom maisonette house plan. Let's get into the video. A key feature to highlight in this house plan is the DSQ/guest room. This feature was inspired by a need to provide an independent living space for a loved one that you may be living with. Many families are living with an elderly parent or a relative who may have some health challenges. The guest wing space is self-contained with 2 small bedrooms sharing a bathroom. The extra room can work well for a domestic worker or even a live-in nurse if this is the situation you're in. Just a small note, the DSQ guest wing space is totally optional. It can completely be omitted or tailored for your specific needs. The rear entrance porch brings you into the inside of the house. Right at the entrance, a visitor's cloak room is provided, tucked at the corner. Right ahead, you have the staircase followed by a store. The store takes advantage of the space under the staircase. You have an extra spacious kitchen with a walk-in pantry. From the kitchen, you have a door that takes you to the side kitchen yard. At the side kitchen yard, you have a adobe area. Right ahead, you have a spacious living room with an adjoining spacious dining room. From the living room, you have 2 large sliding doors that take you to the external patio. This is a nice covered patio that overlooks your outdoors. It is perfect for external seating. Beyond your kitchen yard, you have the guest wing. As mentioned earlier, these are 2 rooms that have a shared bathroom. This space can work well as a guest wing or a DSQ. It can easily be tailored for your own specific needs. Some people may want to transform this space into an external office, a store, a gym, or any other space you may want. In this home design, all the bedrooms are located upstairs. You have a spacious master bedroom with a spacious ensuite bathroom. The master bathroom has a bathtub and a shower cubicle for those who would like to have both. You have another ensuite bedroom that is suitable for 2 occupants, and you have 2 smaller bedrooms that are well sized for a single occupant. These 2 smaller bedrooms have a shared bathroom. The plinth dimension of this house plan is 14.8 meters by 12.1 meters. With that dimension, this plan is suitable for a 50 by 100 piece of land. That is an 1/8 acre. The total area of this house plan is 186 square meters. Each floor has a total of 93 square meters, and the DSQ has a total of 24 square meters. The approximate construction cost for this house plan is 7.5 million. We normally extract the estimate construction cost from the construction cost handbook. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. Now, as we always say, this is a good budget to work with and keep in mind, but always remember that a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction. And there you have it. That is the Shero 4-bedroom maisonette house plan with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a DSQ/guest room. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. It is absolutely free. I'll see you in our next video.